It's now that time where we head on over to sports. It's Fruta Premier League player profile, and we are in Cavaliers again this week, and we talk to the centre forward, Claudius Blackburn. Now, this is a fruit punch. It's 100% vitamin C, and it tastes great. Claudius Blackburn over to Cavaliers. We are heading right now.
Claudius Blackburn, how long have you been playing Premier League with this team?
Well, this is actually my first season playing in Premier League with this club. Actually, my first season in the Premier League.
How has it been for you, though?
Well, it's been a marvelous season. You know, I've been training hard, and it's been showing in my games. I got 8 goals so far. I'm actually third in the leading goal scorer standings.
What would you say has been the highlight for you? What have been the standout moments for you?
Well, the standout moment really was for me is against Tivoli Garden, when I scored that goal from 30 yards out and I assisted the other 2. Well, I'm from Arnett Garden, Jonestown. Well, I grew up in Jonestown with my mother, my father, my brother and my 2 sisters. Okay, I went to Trenchtown High, played the Manning Cup, got a scholarship, went on to play for Hydel.
And being a part of this team, how has it enhanced you as a player?
Well, it's enhanced me quite a lot because the whole family atmosphere, it built my confidence. We work together. The team actually helped me with my game. We have a couple of senior players here. Being the first time playing in the Premier League, they have assisted me with my game a lot. They've helped me with my control, my dribbling, also helped me with my awareness on the field. So,
if it wasn't football, what other sport would you be playing?
Well, I was good at cricket. During Trenchtown, I played Grey Shield and I was an excellent batsman, so I would be doing that. Well, I look up to a number of players internationally. Well, Fernando Torres is actually my role model, but I like how Angel Di Maria play. I like Neymar, Raul, the brilliant striker Raul. I actually watch him a lot. Well, I've always been looking at coaching because growing up, football has been my life. Everything I achieve is because of football, school-wise and all that has been football. So me now, after football now, I would like to share my what I've learned with the other kids and see if I can make an impact on other people's life. Because there are a lot of coaches that are really the reason why Claudius is doing so well. I remember Mr. Payne from Trenchtown. He's the person that turns me into a striker. Help me in my game, teach me the role and everything. So I would like to instill that on someone else.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found.
Them no bad like the God. I know what they have one night me bad. Me alone we go circle them ends like me bad. Them a get to talk. Why say them brave? Them no brave like the God.
Every girl for your ticket on every girl for your ticket on
inna the dance, you go drop inna the niggle. You fit, you no hole, you no wrinkle, you no shibble. Wind up your body, then you catch it, then you checkle. Sit down on the seat for me on the bicycle. You can't 630 do flick like nickel.
Show me for anything, but how me fit just I'm not certain. Where you are to behind curtain. Enough of them say them are your friend when you check it out.
I'ma see how the youths them a live. Every man I walk with a straps to them a hunt for the food them not think positive. Them claims are the only way.
Me in a car when me are the only man with pants pan waist. Me nah fall on nobody. And when the old Jamaica bleach them face, me nah.
Girl, can you push it right, girl? You push it good, you push it good, you push it good. Girl, you push it good, you push it good, you push it good, good, good. You push it good, you push it good, you push it good. Girl, you push it good.
I know me a party non-stop. Cause the girl them so hot. And the thugs them roll up. Pass me a buckle of more hot. Girl them body just yeah. Me nah spend no time with my girl and my girl I give me bone. Nah spend no time with my woman and my woman I give me bone.
Well, folks, that's all we have for you on this week's edition of Pree Dis. Remember, www.repja.com. Check it out. Go get your own RepJ t-shirt. Flow TV, Caravision, Carib Cable, Entertainment Plus, all the stations to big up because that's where you catch us week in, week out. Remember, I'm your host, Cruddy. Follow us on Twitter and on Facebook at Pree Dis Show and also follow me at The Cruddy. Because what? Until next week, my gone.